question 22. Question 22 is actually testing you on redox, and this time around it is about electron transfer. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. Hot copper 2 oxide reacts with ammonia according to the equation below. Which statement is true? What you need to realize, from the options given, they give you N3 minus. This is nitrite ion, NitrIDE. Nitrite ion. Okay, nitrite ion, it is not present in the equation given. Okay, NH3 here, you need to realize that this is actually a simple covalent molecule. Okay, because both nitrogen and hydrogen, they are non-metals, right? And they share their valence electrons to form a simple covalent molecule. There is no such thing as N3 minus ions in this equation. Okay, all right, so C and D is out. Let's take a look at A and B. The answer is between A and B. Copper oxide, we form copper when it reacts with ammonia. So the oxidation state of copper metal, it is actually 0, okay, because it's an element. So the oxidation state is 0. Copper 2 oxide, however, all right, we just write out copper 2 oxide generally generally the oxygen has an oxidation state of -2, and since the overall charge of a compound, it is electrically neutral, it is 0. So copper, it has to be +2. Okay, A minus 2 equals to 0, therefore the charge of one copper ion, it is +2. This is the same as the Roman numeral, the same value as the Roman numeral in parentheses in the brackets. Okay, so the oxidation state of copper is +2. This copper 2 ion, to actually form copper metal, it will have to gain electron, because electrons, they are negatively charged. Okay, so to be more specific, the copper 2 plus ion, it gained 2 electrons to form the metal. Hence, the answer is B. If it lost electrons, right, the product will be more positive, meaning it will be something like Cu3 plus, which is not written in this question here. Okay, which is not found in this question. Hence, the answer is B.